Welcome to Sweet Cooking with Sophie. I'm Sophie, and today we are going to be making a giant chocolate chip cookie. And I'm super excited. I have never made this, but I am using the recipe from the Complete Cooking Book for Young Chefs. It's by America's Test Kitchen. I love their books. They're awesome. I use them for almost everything. That's where I got the smoothie from. So our ingredients that we will be needing is a half a cup of brown sugar, 8 tablespoons of butter that's melted, 1 cup of flour, a fourth a cup of sugar, 1 cup of chocolate chips, 1 egg, a fourth a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla, and a fourth a teaspoon of salt. So first we're going to start by greasing down our pan. You use a 9-inch pan, and I like to use just cooking spray. Sometimes people like to use oil or butter. I like to use this because I feel like the butter and the oil is very temperamental, and as long as you just put a little bit, then you're going to be good. So now our first thing that it says to do is put our oven rack to middle position, which I've already done, and set our oven for 375. I've also already done that. And it says to coat this with spread. Now, in a medium bowl, right here, we're going to whisk together the baking soda, and our salt. There we go. Gonna whisk this. Just make it all nice and combined. Okay. Now, gonna set this aside. And then in a large bowl, here we go, whisk together our butter. And for melting butter, I like to do 30 seconds. Our first 30 seconds on power level 70, second 30 seconds on full power level. Then next, we have to put in our brown sugar, our regular sugar, vanilla, and our egg. So this is my first time doing this recipe, so if I mess something up, everybody makes mistakes. You can mess up sometimes. So, if I mess up, I'm sorry. Now, I'm gonna just mix this until it's nice and mixed. Looks delicious. Look at that. Looks so good. Now we have to add our flour mixture, which is this right here. And use our rubber spatula and mix it in. It says keep on stirring until no flour is visible. So I'm just gonna keep on stirring. Gives you a nice arm workout, using your elbow grease to stir. Go. Okay, almost there. And after we get done with combining this, we are going to add our chocolate chips, which is honestly the best part of the cookie. So here we go. Now I'm gonna add a few, about half, stir them in. And now it says keep on mixing until all chocolate chips are evenly distributed between the batter. So I'm just gonna try and do that. Looks pretty good. My gosh, this is gonna be so delicious. I'm so excited. So now it says use rubber spatula to scoop this into our greased pan. So use it. Go. And then it says and spread dough into an even layer so then it cooks evenly and we have a delicious cookie with no parts that are too runny or parts that are too hard and crispy. Just gotta flatten that out, get the rest in. There we go. Okay. So we have all of our batter in, and now it says put your pan into the oven for 18 to 22 minutes. So whenever it's golden brown and looking delicious. So I'm gonna go put this in the oven and I'll see you when it's out. So our giant cookie is out of the oven and looking delicious. I only put it in for 18 minutes and that's how it turned out. So I set a timer for 18 minutes and it was ready when I had it. So I have to let it cool in this cooling rack for 30 minutes and then I'll see you in 30 minutes and we'll take it out of the pan. So it's been 30 minutes and this cookie is ready to be taken out of its pan. So it says take a butter knife and run it along the edge of the cookie. So I'm just gonna do this, get it all loosened up. There we go. Now I'm gonna look at that. That looks so delicious. And then we're just gonna move our cookbook. And then it says place the cookie on a cutting board. So there we go. There's our cookie. And I'll see you next time on Sweet Cooking with Sophie.